Sometimes you need to make a difficult decision that will break your heart but bring you peace. How do you come back from divorce? Today I'm going to share with you 5 areas in your life where you can begin to make small changes that will have a huge positive impact in your life during and after divorce. The first area is your fitness, your physical fitness, your mental fitness, and your spiritual fitness. You see, we are spiritual beings with a mind, a will, an intellect, and an imagination living in a physical body. The thing is, many people spend a lot of time focused on only their physical body. You want to look good, you want to wear the right clothes that look good on you, you want to be the right size. Our world spends a lot of time and attention focusing on our physical bodies. And often we forget about our mental fitness and our spiritual fitness. So you can look real good on the outside, but inside things are all out of whack. 19 years ago, I transitioned through divorce. And quite honestly, all 3 areas of my life were not great. Since then, and slowly, one step at a time, I have made improvements, and I will continue to make improvements for the rest of my life. You see, if your spiritual fitness and your mental fitness and your physical fitness are all out of whack, you're actually not able to make best decisions for yourself and for your family. And when you're transitioning through divorce, you've got to make some difficult decisions. It's best if you know who you are and you're working on these 3 areas of your life. It's ideal if you have them all figured out, but that's unrealistic. It's best if you at least know about them and you're working at improving one step at a time each of these areas of your life. Once your physical fitness, your mental fitness, and your spiritual fitness start to improve, you'll notice that your whole life starts to improve. Your relationship with your self improves, your relationship with others improve, your relationship at work, with your other parent, with your children. It all just slowly gets better and better and better. And the example that you're setting for your children, well, that's a bonus because it's a great example to set. It's not just our physical bodies that are important. We are much more than that. Number 2, your family. What's your relationship with your family? Now, this can be your mom and dad, your children, their other parent, close friends that you consider family. Where is there room for improvement? Do you honor your mother and your father? You see, the relationships that we have are examples that we're setting for our children. So if you want your children to honor you, they're going to be looking at how you honor your mother and your father and your close friends and your family and people that you love in your life. Third, your money and your money story. Do you understand your financial situation? What do you need to learn? Where do you need to grow in this area? What do you need to learn about investing, saving, spending, earning, and giving? Are you working with a financial planner? When you have your finances in order and you are financially independent, this creates a freedom in your life, opens space in your life for other great things to come in. When you're anxious about your finances, worried about your money, in a scarcity mindset, there's no room for anything else. Number 4, give. Where are you giving in your life? Where are you giving your time? Where are you giving your money, your attention, your love? You know, there's something that I've learned over the years in my life. When I really need something, when I need money, or I need love, or I need a hug, or I'm feeling lonely, the best thing that I can do for myself is to give that to someone else. When I do that, it gives me what I need. The more you give, the more that comes back to you. Number 5, laughter. Laughter and fun. You can't smile and be angry at the same time. You can't feel gratitude and feel upset at the same time. So when you're feeling angry, when you're feeling pessimistic, when you're feeling sad, when you're feeling upset, change that channel in your mind and decide to feel grateful. Smile. This will make a huge difference in your life. If you can have fun, if you can laugh at yourself, if you can laugh at your circumstance, if you can see some kind of lightness and fun in your situation, you're going to bring more of that into your life. If you are considering divorce or transitioning through divorce, or you're not sure how you're ever going to do this, but you know divorce is the right choice for you and your family, I've created a free mini course that I'm going to link below, and it might help. I want you to know that you are loved, you are worthy, you are special. Thanks for your time and attention today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.